Norman Lear, I think, shows it best. Norman Lear does good times with nothing ever good that ever happened. He does the Jeffersons. So these things, if you look at them, there's some horrible messaging in them about who black people are. Some good pieces, but most of those good pieces he was fighting against. But we never looked at the fact that Norman Lear also made Archie Bunker. Now, Archie Bunker was a depiction of the redneck, white, poor, racist. But he said in the interview, I made Archie Bunker off of my father.
And that's why they have blacks and whites at each other's throats, because they need to weaken us via the media, continuing to send those poison messages out to everybody. It can't help but have an impact on you.